This is Emiliano, and Emiliano, why is it better to do our collaborative newspaper project on Google Docs rather than just boring old paper?
It's better to do it because, first of all, it's easier to edit because all you have to do is just basically click and let's just say I can let's just say backspace and I'm done, right? And then what else? It's easier to put a picture on it instead of having to print out a picture and glue it on paper. It's easier to share it with people because then even you could just press share and you send it to another person and right away it's already in their account. So it's easier to share and edit with other people.
I think it's easier because if you were doing a group project, this one is kind of like a newspaper, the whole class. Let's say if Emiliano wanted to change something, he doesn't actually have to go to my house and write down everything, or I have to go to his house. He can just do it on here, and I would know if he did it. So if Emiliano, why don't you delete something? I would know something small. What if it's that one?
I'm changing my font size and plus.
Yeah, and I would know if he did it.
And to make it right, and you don't have to write neat or write messy or anything. It's all you do is just type, and you're done.
What about the saving feature? Do you have to save this to your student drive?
That's really helpful compared to what's it called, Microsoft Word, that you have to save as and save and click. All you have to do is let's just say I put space right here. It starts saving. And it's done saving, and now I'm going to backspace, saving, done.
I am very, very messy. I'm not somebody that's neat, and I will probably lose it. So I would lose it, and then if Emiliano lost it, then we have to restart this whole thing, and that's not fun.
Yeah, for example, my dog likes to eat everything in my passage. So if I accidentally leave my homework on my dining table, he's just gonna eat it, right? And then it's right here. He can't eat the computer.
Okay, what about working from home? When you save something to your student drive at school, can you work on it from home? Can you work on this from home when you're using your Google Drive?
You can access Google from basically anywhere that has internet access. Unlike school, because your accounts are in the school system, you can only access them from here in school, and you can't have your account from home. But with Google Drive, you're able to use it practically anywhere.
Even if you're traveling too, which is nice.
You guys shared your documents with each other?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to go into Juliana's Google Drive. We're going to find her documents that have been shared with her. We're going to go back to Google Drive. We're going to click Shared with Me. Oh, you haven't shared your stuff with each other. So then how do we do that? Go over to Maddie's. We're going to click Share on Maddie's computer. She says Private Only Me. Let's give it a name, Maddie.
Okay.
Okay. And then we're going to click Share. Can you type in Juliana's name?
Yeah.
Press Enter. Okay. Now type in my name too, B-R-Y-N. Press Enter. Okay, so we've said she can edit, so Juliana can do the work. Press Send. All right, let's go back to Juliana's. We're going to refresh this. Woohoo! There's Maddie's article. How easy was that? Easy. Was that easier than having to give her a piece of paper and go to someone's house? Yeah. Okay, we're going to go into Maddie's. We're going to select all of Maddie's. We're going to copy it, Go back to Juliana's documents. Go into her own document. We're going to go to the bottom. We're going to paste in Maddie's document. Now, let's make sure that you've shared this with Maddie. Okay, can you enter Maddie's name? Maddie, spell your name! 2 Ds?
Just one and Madeline.
There she is.
Oh, there we go.
Okay. Send. Alright, now go over to Maddie's computer. Maddie's going to go back.
I'm doing about power classes. I'm doing about power classes.
She's going to be patient for the internet.
Don't leave that.
Alright, she's going to go to her. She's going to go share it with me. There's Juliana's. And now you're both working from the exact same document. See how Maddie's is at the bottom there? So now you have the same thing to work from. So now your task is to make both of your articles. You both have the same document open. And I want you to make it look like a newspaper, so you're going to have to edit it to make it smaller. Okay?
That's easy.